If you find yourself locked out of your Uber account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. If you are unable to access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Select Get Help. On the admin screen, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Help to access support options. Step 3. Report suspicious activity. In the Help section, look for the option related to account access or suspicious activity. Tap on it and provide details about the issue you are facing, including any unauthorized transactions. Step 4. Verify your identity. Uber may require you to verify your identity to ensure account security. Follow the prompts to submit any necessary information, such as your phone number or email associated with the account. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for Uber's support team to respond. They will review your case and provide instructions on how to regain access to your account. Once you have followed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Uber. They will guide you through the process of securing your account and restoring access.